Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They have a huge truck and they're about to bring in my sofa. Today's a very exciting day. I moved into this house back in July of 2021 and I had ordered a majority of my furniture between June and August, and I had placed an order for a sofa for the upstairs I think 6 or 7 months ago, and it was supposed to come in December before Christmas, but then it was delayed, and then they told me February, and then they told me April. But I got a call last week from my girl at the store, and she said that we're ready to schedule delivery, and my couch is arriving later today. I've been tracking the couch since 9 a.m. The delivery people are at their first stop still, and they should be here within the next hour and a half. So here is the empty space of what it looks like so far. This TV console has been here for so long, and clearly it has collected some junk for right now, just because the space really has nothing to it. But the rug has always been here for a pretty long time, and then in my most recent video I showed the mini fridge. It is officially all stocked up. Here's what it looks like. So it has all of the fun drinks, and then I put my coffee and popcorn bar on top of it, and then this fun little shelf. This has been a space that has been waiting to be transformed for the past 6 months. And today's the day that it's going to finally come together. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I just got a text saying that they are 10 minutes away. And I can see the truck, and it is in fact just 10 minutes away. Okay, I'm good. I'm just... These things always make me very nervous because it's not like a huge pathway for it to fit in. I know it'll fit here just fine, but I've seen it in person twice. I've sat on it, it's comfy, I love it. And I'm just like, I cannot believe this is finally gonna become like its own space. Like, we're gonna move the TV out here and I can decorate my bedroom the way I want. And it's gonna be crazy that it can be like an actual like finished room. Like, the only thing it's missing is the dang couch. And that is it. So I'm so nervous. And once the couch is here, I will show you guys everything that I have done so far. There's some updates like on that wall over there, but oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm literally stalking my driveway so hard just because I'm so curious. I don't know why, but my heart's like beating so fast, and I feel so, it's so stupid. Like, it's just a couch, but it's like my couch, and then it like completes another room in my house, and it's just been so long, and I haven't been able to take full advantage of this room like I really want to. So they're on their way. They're very close. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm waiting. I'm trying to be patient. I'm like trying to like hear the truck, even though I don't think I'll miss it. It's gonna be a big truck.
A few moments later.
Literally right here, I heard them coming, and they have a huge truck, and they're about to bring in my sofa. I'm freaking out. I know it's furniture, it's just furniture, but oh my god, I can't. I'm... Oh, they stopped. Okay, let me go deal with the delivery guys. Be right back with the new couch.
No? With the rails? When the opening on this side will come. That's the light. Oh.
Okay, I can take this off because they had the door open, so it's kind of cold. But it's here, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's here. Okay, so it's definitely very large, but it's fine. I knew the dimensions, I knew how wide it was gonna be and how like deep it was gonna go. So I'm very excited to have this couch. So would you guys like to see it? I think you do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3! Here is the couch. It definitely comes out pretty wide, but we're not gonna put a like table here because the console's so close. So yes, it's gonna be like sitting in a movie theater up close with the large TV going right here. but I am just very excited to have it. So here is what it looks like. I have a first sit on it. Okay, here we go. I can't believe I'm sitting in my loft. I've waited so long for this couch to come, and it is now here in the flesh, and it is completely working and will recline. And look at this. There is a charging port for your phone. How awesome is that? And then here are the two buttons. So are we reclining? There we go. So I'm gonna see how far I can push it back so that way there's a little bit more space between me and the 65-inch TV that's going here, but I just cannot believe it's here. I have it. It's paid for, it's done. Just for reference, this is how far it comes out when you're sitting, so it doesn't really make sense to put anything here. I could put something here because this one doesn't come out, but I'm honestly fine with how it is. And now this needs to get cleaned up because it looks like a mess. Let's recline her back in. Ooh, how nice, very nice. This couch is already very comfy. I would say the first one that's downstairs that I honestly haven't even shown you guys. I definitely had to break in. I'm very happy and it looks so nice. And now it's time for pillows. My boyfriend is not gonna be happy with all the pillows, but I do not care. I love them. Here's what the couch looks like naked. And like I said, I love pillows, but I have two pillow options. Pillow option number one is white pillows. Here is the vibe of the white. The color of the couch is like a gray brown color. It's honestly very similar to the floor, but you can see like here's a gray off-white kind of rug. So here it is with the white pillows, and I can add like a blue pop of color for one of them instead. So here's like white, here's a blue pillow. So here's what a white pillow looks like. And now here are the tan color pillows. All right, here is the tan options. This is what the beige ones look like. I don't know, they probably look very similar to each other. I think I'm leaning towards the white against this, I think. I don't know, here they are side by side versus the white against the kind of color versus the, see, now I don't know if I like the white. Do I like the tan? I don't know, I feel like the tan kind of blends with the gray a little bit better, but also I like the stark white against the gray color, so I don't know, comment down below what you guys think I should do. Either way, the couch is in. Hey guys, it's a couple weeks later since I last filmed my couch update for upstairs, but I have new furniture being delivered today, and I figured I would show you guys what's going on. The furniture I ordered will be going here against this wall where the dining room meets the living room. And so right here you can see there's just a bench. And originally with this bench it was supposed to go in the hall closet. But unfortunately the other bench was this much too big where it wouldn't slide in perfectly because I didn't account for the trim of the door that used to be here. So I had to get another one that fits now. But with the other piece, I just had sitting around as extra storage. And I wanted something a bit bigger for that space over there. So I bought, where is it? Oh my God, it literally blends in with the floor. I bought over here a new storage system that I think will work really well. Got it off of Wayfair and we're gonna put it together today. All right, I have the instructions for what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully, I don't think it's gonna be that big. My biggest worry was because the space isn't that large over there, I wanted something extra because I have so much plates, bowls, bakery stuff. I really just wanted an extra storage unit that wasn't too big where it would take up the whole space and make everything feel very small. So I think this will work. I think the glass and the color gray is so pretty. I think the glass makes it look light and airy versus a closed off full wood door. And I'm pretty sure this gray matches almost perfectly to my dining set that I got because the dining room set is a pretty close match to the floor and this blends in with the floor, so should be good. Immediately when I did the unboxing, I was like, oh my God, the wood is broken, I'm gonna have to send it back. And then I realized, wait, this is not the color I ordered and it says this is just packaging material so my stuff didn't break, which it didn't. All right, here's all of the pieces, so let's start putting it together. Starting to put the stuff all together, and I know I'm gonna sound like one of those people that are like, oh, I saw that on TikTok. But I saw on TikTok of when your boyfriend's home versus when he's not, where you ask him for help and act like a baby. Then if he's not around, you're just doing everything yourself. If I am by myself, I will build anything and put it together and be fine because I'm an independent woman. But the second my boyfriend is here, I'm like, oh, do you want to do that? You want to help me? You want to hold that for me? Thank you. So that's how I feel, because I'm going to start putting this together and see how far I get before my boyfriend comes. But I just thought that TikTok was funny, so I wanted to share. Here's the update of the storage unit. I have the frame built out. Now I'm gonna put the back on and then put on the door. A little while later, it is complete. It was definitely pretty easy to put together. The only thing I had trouble with, or was a bit more difficult, was aligning the doors, but that's just messing with the hinges to get them as even as you want, and then eventually you're like, close enough. So here is what it looks like. It's so little and cute. Here is how it ended up turning out. The doors inside, it just has 2 shelves, so let's go put it in its place. It's so tiny, but it works. She's tiny, but she's cute. I really think I could fit 2 by 2, but for now, this is good, and we'll see what's what. Here is the update of what I've done. So because I have a little small business bakery, I have all of the chocolate and mold, and then probably gonna do like sprinkles and extra stuff just to give it its own space away from my kitchen, but I'm really happy with it so far.